Yeah, so never underestimate the volume of poop that can come out of a puppy, because it's a substantial amount. Alright, it's day 2 of Uther the puppy, and lesson 1 in puppies. They are a commitment. Before anything else, they are like a major commitment. And this bit here, which is like the cute bit that everyone wants, with a cute little fluffy puppy snuggling you, what they don't do, and what we don't film because we need 2 hands, is when you come back from taking the big dog for his walkies and little dog has done a massive stinky poo in his pen, and he's managed to get it on everything in his pen, including his blankets, his bed, his water bowl, his feet, his fur. And so what you need to do is you need to clean up puppy and get his paws and clean. So he's small enough at the moment to just pop him in the sink with some lukewarm water, which he actually quite liked. Wash his paws and wash his bum, and then leave him to maraud around the house while you clean up his. And this is why you put down 3 layers of newspaper. Don't skimp on the, seriously don't skimp on the newspaper. And we have got like a heavy duty plastic underneath that as well. So everything's had to go in the washing machine, and hopefully that is the only time that will happen today, but that might happen more than once. And he was on his own for what, 15 minutes maybe. He did come out with us at first, didn't we? We carried him, and we bought a puppy carrier, which is like massively too small for him because he's a gigantic puppy. So we got about 10 yards down the street, and there was so much wriggling and screeching. It sounds like somebody was torturing a seagull. So we took you out of the puppy carrier, and then you were happier, weren't you? And then we had a little walk over to the park to see Bevan. Yes, we did, didn't we? And there was a lot of new smells. You were very interested in all the new smells. What are you doing? And then I came back, didn't I, and popped you in your pen. You weren't too happy about that because I went back out for about 15 minutes. Yeah. And you've been in the garden again today, haven't you? We need to film some of you and Bevan in the garden. What do you mate? He likes to sleep on my big fat belly. Right, so hopefully no more pooing in your pen. And he'd already done one this morning as well. We'd already been outside, hadn't we? 2 or 3 times. Once about 5:30, and then again about 6:30. Yeah, we thought you'd finished. You had your breakfast. But apparently there's more in there. Yeah, so never underestimate the volume of poop that can come out of a puppy, because it's a substantial amount. So yeah, anyway, that's it for now. We'll catch you on the next segment.